Grade 6 Mathematics Virtual Competition, an initiative of the Region 5 Mathematics team. I am your host, Keisha Dyer. This quiz competition commenced with a cadre of 6 teams representing 3 schools in the region, namely Prattville Primary, Snowdon Primary, and Bethabra Primary. In our earlier matches, we had to say goodbye to one team from Prattville Primary and one team from Bethabra Primary. However, although both teams played well in their matches, they were not successful in their bid to emerge winners to progress in the competition. Our semi-finalists gave it their all. As they battled, 2 champions emerged from those nail-biting matches. Now today, we will get an opportunity to see those champions in action as they battle to determine who will emerge the champion of our Grade 6 Virtual Mathematics competition. Are you excited about this match? I sure am. Let's meet our players. We're going to start with Team Prattville as they came into this final match with the most points of 26. So, Team Prattville, you're going to have a 1-minute segment now to answer as many questions as possible. And your 1 minute. Team Prattville, are we ready?
Yes.
Yes. Open your cameras, please. Guys, so let's start. Team Prattville, your first question is: add together 1,003 and 297.
Base 1,300.
Correct. Second question: complete the series 10, 12, 16.
20.
Incorrect. Correct answer would be 22. Next question: the difference between 2,000 and 375.
Miss 1,625.
1,625 is correct. Next question: if x equals 4, what is 9x? Move over to Team Stoltz for your first 1 minute. So Team Stoltz, add together 1,709 and 115.
Repeat, Miss.
1,709 and 115.
Miss, 1,824.
Correct. Next question. Complete the series. 3, 9, 15.
8. 28.
21.
18 is incorrect. The correct answer would be 21. I heard 18 first. The difference between, Team Stolz, the difference between 3,000 and 792.
Time.
2,208.
Over to Prattville for their second 1 minute segment. So Prattville, starting now. Give the name for a 6-sided polygon.
Hexagon.
Correct. Next question. The product of 63 and 10.
630.
Correct. Next question. Simplify the ratio. 36 to 40.
Miss, 9 to 10.
Correct. Next question. The median of the data set 17, 13, 12, 9, and 17.
Miss, repeat.
The median, find the median of the data set 17, 13, 12, 9,
Time.
17.
12.
All right, time on that one, but the correct response would be 13. All right, over to Team Stolz for your second 1 minute. Give the name for a 9-sided polygon.
God.
Correct. Next question. What is the product of 71 and 100?
7,000.
71,000.
Miss 7,001.
7,100.
7,100 is correct. Next question. Simplify the ratio 24 to 60.
Miss, 4 to 10.
4 to 10 is correct. Next question. Find the perimeter of a square with sides of 4 centimeters.
Miss, 16 centimeters.
That is also correct. Next question.
Time.
What is the... Okay, can't complete that question. Time right there. Over to Team Prattville for your third and final 1 minute section here. Team Prattville, round off to the nearest 100, 1,342.
Miss, 1,300.
Correct. Next question. Add together 3 8s and 1 8.
Miss, 4 8s.
Correct. What is 20% of 500?
100.
100.
Correct. A triangle with all equal sides.
Equilateral triangle.
Lateral triangle.
Correct. Next question. Lines that run in the same direction, equal distances apart, and never meet are called
Parallel line.
correct.
Time.
On a pictograph, a smiley face.
Time.
All right. Okay, over to Team Stoltz. Over to Team Stoltz for their third and final 1 minute. Team Stoltz. Round off to the nearest 1,000, 32,906.
Miss 33,000.
Correct. Next question. Add together 9 12s and 2 12s.
Miss
11,
12.
12.
Correct. Next question. What is 40% of 80?
Miss 32.
Correct. A triangle with no equal sides.
Triangle.
Alien triangle.
Correct. Lines that meet to form a right angle are called.
line.
Perpendicular.
Time.
Correct. All right, and that is time there. So that's the end of our first section. Close match, guys. So let's get into our second segment where questions will be asked alternately. Students will get 10 seconds in which to answer. If they don't answer within that 10 seconds, the question will pass to the next team and they will get 5 additional seconds to answer. So let's get into our second segment of the match. Are we ready, teams? So we're starting with Team Prattville. Team Prattville, what is 0.25 as a fraction?
1/4, Miss.
1/4. Over to Team Stoltz. Team Stoltz, what is 0.20 as a fraction?
Miss 20 over 100.
20 over 100 is accepted. Team Prattville, simplify 75% as a fraction.
Miss 3/4.
Correct. Team Stoltz, simplify 60% as a fraction.
3 over 5, Miss.
3/5 is also correct. Team Prattville, which is greater, a score or a dozen?
A score, Miss.
Correct. Team Stoltz, which is greater, a decade or a century?
A century.
Correct. Next question. Team Prattville, convert 7 meters to centimeters.
700 centimeters.
700 centimeters. So that's correct. 700. Miss.
Team Stoltz, convert 9 meters to centimeter.
900 centimeters.
900 centimeters.
Correct. Team Prattville, what is 9 p.m. on a 24-hour clock?
Time. That's the end of the first
Okay,
2
time.
section.
All right, good. So we're gonna pick up our second 2-minute segment now. Starting again with Team Prattville. Your new question is, what is temperature measured in?
Degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit.
Correct. Team Stoltz, what is liquid measured in?
Liters.
Correct. Next question, Team Prattville. What are the number of faces on a cuboid?
6. 6 faces.
Correct. Team Stoltz, what are the number of vertices on a cuboid?
Miss 8.
Correct. Team Prattville, how many grams make a kilogram?
Miss 6.
1,000.
1,000.
1,000 is correct. Team Stoltz, how many milliliters make a liter?
1,000.
1,000.
Correct. Team Prattville, 1,050 divided by 5.
110.
Correct. Team Stoltz, 3,040 divided by 4.
Miss 760.
Correct. Next question, Team Prattville. 3 over x. 3 over x is equal to 15 over 25. What is x?
Miss 125.
Time. That's the end of the
Incorrect.
second
That's the
2-minute
end of
session.
the second. All right. Okay, so that answer would not be 125, it would be 5. So that's the end of the second segment. So we're ready for the buzzer segment. This part is called the buzzer segment. So we're gonna ask you to open your chat. And this is where you're gonna type your answers in the chat. For me, the first team to give me the correct answer will get the point. All right. So we have Team Stoltz and we have Team Prattville. Let's check those names. All right. Are we ready? Let's go. First question. Sam wants to draw a graph to show the trend of rainfall over a 2-year period. Which graph is most suitable? So Aidan, and Aidan is from Team Stoltz with a line graph. Thank you. Next question. Mary wants to use a graph to show how she spends her whole salary. Which graph is most suitable? So we have Aidan again from Team Stoltz. Next question. Kevin is 12 years old. How old will he be in 12 years? So Rochelle, and Rochelle is from Team Stoltz as well. So I'm seeing Rochelle with that answer from Team Stoltz, which is 24. Next question, use the digits 3, 1, 4, 9. What is the largest possible number? Koyana, and Koyana is from Team Prattville. Next question, which is greater, 0.39 or 0.027?
Time.
Time there. And I am seeing Rashina, and Rashina is from Team Prattville. All right. So that's the first segment. We have one more to go. One more 2-minute segment to go, guys. Let's begin again. And the question is, which number does not belong in the set? 16, 18, 19, 20. Colesia, and Colesia is Team Prattville. Next question. The area of a square is 144 centimeters square. What is the measure of one side? So I'm seeing Dwayne Blake and Dwayne is from Team Stolz. Next question. Solid with all square faces is called. Tavane, and Tavane is Team Stolz. Next question, what does the prefix centi mean? Not seeing the correct answer as yet. What does the prefix centi mean? All right, Dwayne, and Dwayne is Team Stolz. Next question.
Time.
All right, and time is there. That one is time. Miss Bailey, I'm gonna ask permission to ask an extra question for that one about the area. Coincidentally, both it and the other question prior to would have the same answer. So in typing in the chat, I am seeing the same number being represented. So to diffuse that confusion there, I'm gonna ask one extra question to replace that one about the area of the square. So I have 15 seconds on your time question, which would replace that one, teachers. A quarter of a number is 9. What is the number? And I see Aidan with the first correct response, and Aidan would be coming from Team Stolz. All right, guys, so that's the end of our match.
There you have it, guys. Another exciting match. Now for the results and winners of today's match. Winning our match today is Bethabara Primary with 22 points. And in second place, we'll have Prattville Primary on 21 points. Congratulations to the winning team. Now, all team members will receive certificates, and the winning team will receive medals for their win. Thank you once again for joining us. And always remember, math counts.